I firmly believe that the way we treat our nation's veterans directly impacts our national security, and that it's imperative that veterans who serve our country put their lives on the line, that we honor their service, and that we ensure that they receive the benefits that they earned and deserve. We were thrilled here at the Veterans Legal Clinic to be approached by the New York Health Foundation in an overall project that they have about improving veterans treatment courts across New York State. The New York Health Foundation asked us to look into one component, and that was access to local services. We've learned through our work here at the Veterans Legal Clinic that step one in a veteran having successful outcomes is often being connected to VA healthcare and benefits.
I think one of the things that makes this work so important, especially for us at the New York Health Foundation as a statewide funder, is that it's a point of pride that veterans treatment courts were founded in New York. The work that we're investing in is really a continued investment from the original court that was stood up in Buffalo in 2008.
A lot of veterans, if they become involved in the legal system, are there partly because of things that they may have experienced in service. And so the Veterans Treatment Court gives them an opportunity to deal with the criminal charges that they face while also getting the support that they need. The process, it goes for 12 to 18 months, and it starts out with a treatment plan that a VA employee will develop for the veteran based on their specific needs.
I'm the presiding judge in Veterans Court. We work with the District Attorney's Office, the Defense Bar, and different veterans organizations, and also the Veterans Hospital. And we were able to put together a program that really benefited the veterans, and so I was really proud to help establish that here in the city.
The Syracuse model, when it comes to veteran treatment courts, is to make sure that the veteran is at the center of everything that we do. We don't start with one facet of the program, or even with the charges that the veteran faces. The Syracuse model starts with that veteran, their unique circumstances, and how all of the services and support and people in the court can be arranged so that that veteran can graduate and move on. We're developing this model, and it's exportable to anyone who wants to use it. We hope that others will see that it's valuable and also want to use it. If you work on a veterans treatment court, if you're interested in doing the work to improve them, we'd love to hear from you, and we'd love to learn from you.
My role is to ensure that every New Yorker, including justice-involved veterans, has access to fair, appropriate, and meaningful justice. Veterans treatment courts are problem-solving courts designed to support justice-involved veterans by connecting them to essential services and benefits. The court system values your military service. Through our partnership with Syracuse Law School's Betty and Michael D. Wohl Veterans Legal Clinic, we can ensure that you receive more of the recognition, care, and support you deserve.